Get it? Yeah, you gotta keep that. Folk. Yeah, no. That's all we know. Yeah, too hard, I'm out the folk. Skip it. Yeah. If I don't make it, look, if I don't make it with rapping, I probably ain't back up trapping. So a nigga be snapping, trying to get this shit bragging. I'm trying to get this shit started. I be getting so high, I be trying to find out what God is. With my queen, she a goddess. Got my brother, he mobbing. First name probably be Marlin, but we ain't looking for Nemo. Deep up all in the sea though, with a Cuban dog. Say she wanna fuck, I'm like C-ho. She say you know a little Spanish, I'm like yeah, poquito. But proceed to relief though, cause that's what we gon' chief on. Tryna cop some yellow diamonds, looking like they got peed on. But no R. Kelly shit getting green, I'm relishing. Felt like fiends was heaven sent, they tryna buy it and let them in. You or us ain't no settling, we gon' get it best way we know how. Known to keep the 9 with me whenever I roll around. Cause we done came from sandboxes and them fucking playgrounds. Hope they know that we don't play now. Boy, that tiger out his cage, now I'm like, yeah, this how it go. Young niggas bread, they get that bread, that's all we know. And even if it's 2, they still want them out the fold. Young niggas just bread, they get that bread, that's all we know, that's all we know,